Good morning, campers. Release all brakes. I finally got an air cuff lock for this truck, so anytime I have the opti idle on, meaning the ignition is in, the key is in the ignition and the ignition is on, I have to have the trailer brake popped so I can put my my secondary lock on the air brake valves. So, alright, brakes released. We've done our pre-trip, got the snow off the front of the truck. I missed one mirror, that will be fine. I don't use that one too much anyway. It'll be gone fairly quickly. I'll brush it off at the next stop. I already stowed my brush, so I don't really want to I don't want to do this again. Okay, lights on. Brakes released. They're airing up still. That's fine. We got enough pressure. Let's see if our brakes are frozen. No frozen brakes this morning. Sweet. We had some frozen brakes yesterday. I don't care. I'm talking on the radio and I'm not in the mood. Not while we're recording. We are at the Garden of Eden, the Traveler's Oasis truck stop here in Eden, Idaho. Garden of Eden is the restaurant, I believe. Let's mute you, because you're whistling. My Bluetooth dongle gets interference from the engine if there's no audio going over it. It's great. I hope there's no cows in that drop cow trailer, because if not, they're cold. It's a good day. A snowy day. We're actually doing this without the diff lock on. This is old Apophis got some good traction down here. Let's just swing right a little bit to check my wheels are all spinning right. Yeah, we're good. That's one nice thing about snow, is once you get a little bit of snow on your tires, it's real easy to tell if your tires are turning. But it's a lot harder to feel it because, of course, you know, snow, they skid more. Alright. Let's bring ourselves to a halt. Are you going into the truck stop or are you going straight? You're going straight. Alright. You're going into the truck stop though, so I can exit. I'm real annoyed with myself that I missed that mirror. It's fine, it's fine. So today is February 10th. 2019. Let's keep the wipers going. We've got a little more snow on the windshield than we did while we were sitting in the parking lot. Let's hope the interstate's in good shape. The on-ramp is in good shape. That's, well, not that part, but the part we're on's in good shape. The part that would emerge there, not so much. But when the on-ramps are good, that's usually a good sign for the interstate, because usually they clear the interstate before they do the ramps. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Alright. Though that is a state highway that we just got off of that goes in front of that truck stop. So this might have just been a case of a plow coming up the state highway and just jumping onto the interstate to go somewhere else. Alright, signal left. Run lean out to the merge area. Merge before the snow intrudes. Alright, this isn't so bad. It's not so bad. Watch out for ice. Thank you, Mr. Apophis. Thank you. Very quality advice. Good advice. I will heed it. I will watch out for ice. Ooh, snowplow. It's going to be a good day, folks. You see, we are in Eden, Idaho. I said that already. We're headed east. So we're going to try and kind of outrun this. We managed to outrun it yesterday, and then I had to stop and sleep, and then it caught us again. So this is the second time I've had to drive out of this storm. A little annoying. A little annoying. I thought we were done with it yesterday, but there's that pesky sleeping thing again. That has a tendency to come back for me. Give me 11th gear, buddy. Thank you. We're not in cruise control, so Apophis was not sure why we were not continuing to accelerate there. So he didn't shift up. It's like, no, buddy, we're good. We're just kind of holding speed. Don't want to be cruising at 1500 RPM. No reason for that. Sometimes you have to give Apophis a little bit of help with the gear shifting. He's not always on top of things. What's going on up here? That's a little bit foggy. I can still see the car in front of us, but not well. That's the real hazard out here right now. It's like we've got a somewhat limited sight distance on top of slick roads, which means even though normal conditions, that would be enough distance that I could run full speed and still have enough time to stop. But on this stuff, not so much. Also, the left lane just suddenly got snow covered, so cool, this is great, this is fine, everything's fine. Let's see if we can blink some ice off. That idiot passing people over there. The most frustrating part about driving in this kind of weather is knowing that no matter how good I am at driving in the snow, the hazard is other drivers that aren't. The hazard is all the people that are going to go around me while I'm doing 45 to 50 mile an hour on an icy road, because that's not fast enough for them, apparently. It's fine. We're good. Everything's good. It's going to be fine. We're going to be out of this stuff in no time. I've been checking the weather. I checked our favored route across southwest Wyoming, US Highway 30, and conditions were excellent all the way from I-15 to I-80. So that's going to be our plan for today. Hopefully the storm does not beat us there. Hopefully we get out of the storm before we get to McCam and get off of I-15. Yeah, we're gonna do that because I don't want to deal with Ogden traffic in the snow. Normally, bad weather would automatically route me down through Utah, but the bad weather hasn't hit our alternate yet. It hasn't gotten to US 30, so there's no reason for us to do the detour yet because the bad weather's here, not over in Wyoming. So we're gonna take our favorite route because I like that route for a reason. Also, I can do 65 now. So I'll actually be able to do like the speed limit on parts of that road. So I'm still not going to be fast enough for some folks, but it will be considered less rude. Let's get some de-icer on my windshield, see if that doesn't help us break some of this crap off of the wipers. Oh, we're going too fast. Alright, a little more heat on the windshield then, because that stuff is freezing. We are going much too fast. Oh, we're out of gear. Damn it! Alright, light pressure on the brakes just to keep us in gear. I do not want to be in neutral going down a hill on a snow-covered road. That's not okay, Mr. Apophis. Nope. Stop it. E-coast on ice. Not a great idea. Not a great idea. We're not even in cruise control. That feature should not be doing things. Okay. That's better. Back down to 50. We were going way too fast there for a moment. Gotta be smarter than the truck. Gotta be smarter than the truck. Gotta be able to anticipate when the truck's gonna do something dumb, thinking it's helping. Because the truck's just trying to save fuel. It's not concerned about the distance we can see and how much time we need to stop. Gotta be smarter than the truck. Alright, so I'm gonna keep driving through this stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and come say hi on Twitter and let me know Let me know if I survived, because I don't know yet. Me personally in the video, I do not know. The person who posted the video, she knows. She knows, because she's in the future sometime. So, I guess you don't need to tell her, but you know. I don't know yet. It's a mystery. Do we escape the snow? Do we become trapped? Find out next time on Power Rangers in Space! I have no idea what I just